Shiba Inu holders are increasing daily and the coin is getting more hype lately. With the increase in the number of holders, Robinhood is also facing intense pressure to list Shiba Inu coin on its platform. The correction on the cryptocurrency market concerns all types of investors, including wealth traders and holders that are also losing money when the market drops by another 10%. In cases like this, investors redistribute their funds in Tether out in USDT, leaving their tokens behind. Not only this, we got few price boosting update like massive coin burn that happened recently. We also got update from Binance US about the Shiba Inu trading. We will also discuss if this is good time to purchase the dips and the upcoming price pump. So stick around for that because today's video is full of major Shiba Inu updates. So let's get started. As reported earlier this week, the number of Google searches has slumped as the price more than 50% down from the ATH charted last month. But this 1 million holders milestone was appreciated by Shiba Inu. News of the milestone in daily price increases has energized the Shiba Inu community since the official Shiba Inu Twitter account tweeted a shout out later on Thursday. Such a proud and amazing milestone for the SHIB army. SHIB reached 1 million holders. Today we all cheers and celebrate this great moment in SHIB's history. Moving further, the most awaited Satoshi update are here. This makes everything clear why developers are coming with a near future on what it project they are working on currently. The Medium post is full of major updates that we found few things worth discussing. The first one is a Shiba Inu game and the second is Metaverse. As per his Medium update, he mentioned that just my humble opinion, but I haven't been a fan of the word Metaverse since it was in use way before the guys over at Facebook Incorporated decided to steal. Use it. However, the idea of having a VR world where people can interact and basically live is a concept I personally adore. It's not new either. A Second Life, Sims and other were around well before anything we see on this bull run for this simple esoteric term. Moving further, one of the biggest hamburger chains, McDonald's, also gave a response to accept Shiba Inu coin. Few days back, McDonald's tweeted about their 63 cents McMuffins and captioned it 63-cent egg McMuffins this Thursday only on the app. How are you celebrating? This series included 4 different types of mouth-watering burgers that is too hard to resist. However, a Shiba Inu holder replied to the tweet asking McDonald's to accept SHIB as payment. Accept SHIB for payment, please, tweeted the SHIB holder. McDonald's quickly responded to his tweet saying, "We appreciate hearing your interest and continuously evaluate the payments experience. Nonetheless, the conversation between the two gained steam and was retweeted several times. Memes about Shiba Inu and McDonald's joining hands are now doing the rounds all over social media. Would you like to pay using SHIB to buy some Mac stuff? Do share your thoughts in the comment section down below." Moving further, the Shiba Inu team has issued a scam warning for users to protect their SHIB holding from scammers. The popularity in the crypto world comes with its fair share of disadvantages, especially in the form of schemes that often tempt new investors and rob them of their investment. A similar trend is being observed with SHIB amid heightened popularity and growing adoption. The Shiba Inu team released a video warning against such potential schemes via its official Twitter handle. They warned every SHIB holders about the account impersonating official accounts and scheming the SHIB holdings. No official account asked for Shiba. No one asked for any money or your key passwords for any gift or bonuses. Do not share any personal wallet details to anyone. With this, we have come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.